Justin Wilton.
And I'm Brian Galvin.
And we're with the Michigan Math and Science Academy. Brian, what's that?
I think it's a bird.
No, it's a plane. Oh, no.
It's just a bird.
That was a bird. See, this is a special bird because it's a balancing bird. Now, for the demonstration, we're going to put the bird on the pedestal and see if it balances. And as we see, it does, and we can spin it, and we can move it, and it balances. Now, the reason for this isn't that complex, but what happens is a lot of the mass is in the head versus the wings and the body and the tail feather. And that causes it to balance on the head because all the weight is on it. In science, we call this the center of gravity, meaning that since the center of gravity is in the head, it balances in the head. Thank you. Once again, we are Justin Wilton,
Brian Galvin,
and we are with the Michigan Math and Science Academy.